In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a hosting a domain in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to part with a domain you no longer need or want to make some profit off of a domain that has gained value, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. You can easily find it by opening up your preferred browser and typing in Hostinger. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the welcoming tagline of "Bring your idea online with a website." That's where the magic begins. This is your starting point for accessing your domains and getting ready to make the sale. Upon reaching the Hostinger homepage, your next step is to locate the login button. It's usually prominently displayed on the upper part of the page. Go ahead and click on that button to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but I'm assuming you're already a user since we're selling an existing domain. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. Welcome to the Hostinger panel, often referred to as the H panel. This is your control center where all your account information resides. From here, look for the section labeled Domains. It's typically somewhere on the main dashboard page. Click on it to proceed. This brings us to managing your domains. After clicking on domains, you will see a list of the domains registered under your account. Find the specific domain you wish to sell. Next to it, you'll notice a button named Manage. Click on it. This will take you to a new page with all the settings and controls for your domain. One of the first things you'll need to do here is disable the domain lock. Domain lock is a safety feature that prevents unauthorized domain transfers. While it's useful in protecting your domain, it must be temporarily turned off to proceed with the sale. Simply find the option and toggle it to disable. With the domain lock disabled, your next move will be to obtain the authorization code. This code is crucial as it's needed to transfer the domain to the new owner. Generally, you can find this option within the domain management page. Just click on authorization code to retrieve it, and there you have it. Each of these steps aligns you perfectly to either transfer your domain to another registrar or sell it to a new owner. I hope you found this walkthrough simple and clear. Selling a Hostinger domain doesn't have to be a complex ordeal. With this guide, you're well on your way to making that sale happen. Thanks for watching and happy selling.